Feeling empty. Money worries weighing you down? That overdraft notice, Avoiding bills, hiding from debt collectors? Time to take control. The journey begins now. First, take a breath. Identify your money triggers. Don't focus on the amount, focus on the reason. Building confidence one small step at a time. Shopping without worry. Allowing yourself enjoyment, guilt-free. Setting boundaries, creating a safe space. Connect with others. Join a financial community. Seeking guidance, sharing stories. Learning the basics and embracing knowledge. Planning your finances and taking charge. Creating a financial plan and taking action. Seeing progress and building trust. Time is on your side. Be present, mindful of your spending. Making decisions, trusting your instincts. Taking care of yourself, stress management. Fueling your mind and body. Find joy in the journey. Celebrate the wins, no matter how small. Paying off debt, gaining freedom. Releasing past fears. Building a life you love. Enjoying experiences without financial anxiety. Investing in your relationships, building memories. Making a difference in the world. Finding your financial purpose. Investing for your future security. Building assets, owning your dreams. Living a sustainable life, making choices that matter. Building a comfortable and secure future. Giving back, passing down financial knowledge. The sun rises each day, full of new possibilities. Take it one day at a time. Be kind to yourself. You are capable. You are not alone. Reach for your financial goals. Your financial journey is unique. Enjoy the journey. Invest in yourself. Celebrate your progress. Embrace the challenges. Discover your inner strength. Grow with every lesson learned. You have got this. Your financial future is in your hands. It all starts now. Begin by saving a small amount. Create a budget you can stick to. Get professional help when needed. Embrace small wins. Don't give up. You are worth it. Manage your accounts regularly. Plan for your future. Talk about money openly. Continue learning and growing. Build a solid financial foundation. Celebrate your progress often. Live your dreams. Embrace financial freedom. Nurture your financial health. Enjoy life without financial stress. Help others, sharing your knowledge. Reach for your potential. Together, we can build a better financial future. Take control today. Be present, live fully. Find balance in all areas of life. Live your best life. Believe in yourself. Celebrate every victory. You are strong. You can do it. Take action. Set intentions. Learn new strategies. Take ownership of your finances. Invest in your future. Embrace financial freedom. The future is bright. Life is good. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more empowering money mindset makeover content.